Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit your Google Sheet documents in a view only mode. So here I already have the documents that is in a view only. How to check either these documents is in the view, edit, access, or only comment. So you just need to open the documents, and they will be seen over here the information about the format of the document. So you'll see here the documents is in the view only. You can also check it by go click these three small dots right after the title. There will be a format of the documents. So whenever the documents is in a view only, you only can see the information inside of the documents, but we don't have any access to edit the cells. If you really want to edit the cells, there will be like two easy ways. The first way is just go click these three small dots, and after that go click this request edit access, and then you just need to wait until the owner of the documents accept your request so that you can edit the documents. But then if you need to edit the documents really quick, so you just need to go click this instead. Click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click this share and export and go click make a copy. Now you just need to wait because the application will copy everything about these documents for you, and the owner of the document is already changed from the previous one. So this whole document is now yours, so you can edit the cells. So you just need to go click the cells that you want to edit, go click this part, and you just need to change the information on it. So that is the way, guys, how to edit the Google Sheets documents in a view only mode. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.